In this session we're going to have a look at the QuickLook function within DocHaven. Now QuickLook is a terminology or technology within Apple products that helps you look at the contents and in a large graphical format of a file or a folder without having to open it up. So typically you might click on a particular file within the Finder and hold down the space bar, and a window will appear and show you the information within that particular file. So in this case we've got a spreadsheet, and there we go, there's a view of the spreadsheet. Press spacebar and it goes away. Now that's an Excel document. We don't actually even need to own Excel to be able to use QuickLook to view in items. Now how does this work when it comes to DocHaven? Well, pretty much exactly the same way. All we need to do is highlight any file or folder and hold down the spacebar. So if I press the spacebar once, there we go, there's a particular project. Now as I move around with the arrows, then as I move over different items, the QuickLook window will automatically appear. I don't need to hit spacebar again. If I do hit spacebar, it shrinks the window down, hit spacebar again, and it comes back. Now it varies in its usefulness. So you can see this particular spreadsheet has tons of information in it. So even though we're seeing a preview of that spreadsheet, it's not really all that useful. Other icons show us a better view of the information and actually tell you what sort of document it is. So we can see this is a Pages document with a graphic up the top, and you can see some of the text. Now if you do resize the particular document, you can get to the stage where you might be able to read some of that document there. And let me just shrink that window back down again. There we go. Okay. Now the place where it's most useful is when we're looking at things like graphics. So some icons you can see, the graphical information is there. If we go into some actual images themselves, we can see PDFs, for example. We can see all the way through the PDFs and other documents. We can see graphical information. There we go, lots of different information that we can see in the document itself as the image. And again, we can increase the size of that window to zoom right in to see what it's like in that format. Okay, so we can even move the arrow key up and down, go through those items to see the quick view, the QuickLook view of that image. Okay, so that is how QuickLook works, a great way to be able to see the contents of a file or a folder and see the image of it without actually having the application and without having to open it up. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.